What's up, everybody? Model Airport Nation here, and today I am back in the new space here, as you guys can see. Finally got my own banner here. Shout out to Vistaprint. Amazing logo here. This is the new space, guys. I'm going to change it up a bit here and there. As you guys can see, I am currently doing a little bit of my RC airplane hobby, because I do fly a lot of big RC airplanes. So I'm getting them all together here. It's not perfect yet, but just stay tuned here, guys. Just stay tuned. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in this new package here from Tarmac Designs. Andy here. Look at this, guys. I believe. Yep, there we go there. Without further ado, guys, let's get this open. I believe these are the head houses. I know he was shipping JFK as well, so I don't know if they all came in the same thing. Holy cow, look at that, guys. But I can tell you this is the head houses. Look at that, guys. Basically, I never understood what the head houses were, but basically it's like the main part of the terminal, essentially, that makes it look more like an airport. Because I have all these like terminal pieces, which is amazing, but it doesn't really look like the terminal without, like this part behind it. So you guys see what I'm saying now? So without further ado, guys, let's get this all unboxed here. Hope you guys are doing well. It's just been non-stop busy of moving lately, so it's been a lot. I'm excited for Airliners International 2024. No way. He printed out the roadways too. That's amazing. That's huge. This will help out a lot now and make it a lot more realistic. I'll show you guys a close-up of these pieces in a minute. Right, another piece here. All comes together, guys. It all comes together as one. I also have Denver International Airport in the works right now, so I guess my big four are like Los Angeles, New York, Honolulu, Denver, and Minneapolis. So big five. Yep, another piece here. So it'll all come together here as we get it all laid out. But yeah, just honestly, my Los Angeles dream has come true here. We'll be having both sides of it, so look at that pickup drop-off area, guys. Look at that. On to the next piece here. Woo, look at that, guys. Look at that. The little walkway here. I believe that's the Southwest one. This might be part of the JFK. I don't know. I know he shipped like 2 packages, so. Oh, okay, here we go. So we get more roadways, specifically for, looks like T2. Okay, so we'll put those right there then, so we don't get this all mixed up. Terminal 2 here, guys, at Los Angeles. Look at that. Absolutely amazing, guys. Look at this. I know that's T2 when I see it. So yeah, a lot more content coming near in the future, guys, like I always say. But we're finally getting the setup going here, finding out what works for me. Everybody kind of does their own thing, so I'm doing my own thing. Oh, right, look at that. Super cool. Let's get that there. Oh, wow, look at that, guys. Like I said, it'll all come together. A lot of it looks the same, but once you get it all together, it'll come together. Looks like more roadways. Hey, we can't complain about the roadways. Thank you for doing this, Andy. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. It even says on the bottom, I believe this is T3. All right, let's just double check that we have everything here. That looks pretty good to me. Some of these pieces snapped off, but we can just glue these back on. No big deal. All the smaller ones go, though. All right, I believe that's everything here. All right, guys. Here it is in all its glory. Terminal 1, 2, and 3 at Los Angeles International Airport. Shout out to Tarmac Designs for this amazing terminal. Andy did an amazing job. Guys, go check out Tarmac Designs. Link in bio. affiliate link. It does help support me and Tarmac Designs to bring you guys amazing content all along the way here with these amazing terminals. So here is Los Angeles. So we'll be adding gates and more airplanes soon. Check it out, guys. Model Airport Nation here, guys. Here is another close look going down the terminal here. Trying to get it all fitted together here. It does fit together really nicely. I just have to, on my end, I have to push things together a little bit more here. But once I fine tune it here, like I said, guys, you'll be able to see it in full action. So, kind of got my work desk over here with, so I got to move some stuff around here, but it's a giant layout, guys. This thing is massive. Coming down on Terminal 3 here. Bring you guys over it. Personally, I've flown Delta Airlines many, many times in my life out of Terminal 1, or I mean out of Terminal 2 and 3, excuse me. So this just means a lot to me, especially when you've flown out of an airport many times in real life. Head house is here. But yeah, guys, super impressed here. Hope you guys are too. This is my passion. This is my hobby. I love sharing this stuff with you guys. I love doing these realistic airports, especially airports that I know and love and have flown out of in real life. So, really like this window here because in real life, when you're looking at this window, out towards the right, the left-hand side of it here, you can see the theme building at LAX. So, again, like I said, this layout is massive. So, once I'm able to like kind of scale it down a little bit, I'll be able to put the main section right here too. So stay tuned for that. Again, guys, Alex here, Model Airport Nation. Thank you guys for joining me today, showing you guys the amazing LAX model airport here, 1 to 400 scale, Terminal 1, 2, and Terminal 3. Thank you, Tarmac Designs in Indiana at Andy. Check them out, link in bio, guys. And also Layover Layouts, too. Chris at Layover Layouts for making this amazing custom layout here. You guys can also get this on his website at layoverlayouts.com. I'll leave a link in the bio. And yeah, more stuff coming to this very soon, guys. So stay tuned and wish you guys happy collecting. Thank you, guys. And we'll see a video with the airplanes and everything set up in cars, GSE and such very soon, probably in the next week here. So stay tuned, guys, for that. Like I said, I was just in the process of moving here, so it's just been very busy, to say the least. So we're all situated now just about. So we're starting to get videos going and the new banner here. So love that. And yeah, so guys, we'll see you in the next video. Happy collecting. Until then, stay safe out there, guys.